What's up, guys? Tim Halls to the DragBoss Garage. Well, it all started with that engine plate you see right there that I got from Todd Fuchs from the Cleveland Facebook and Cleveland.net forum. In order to get that to fit right, I had to make some modifications. Then next thing I know, all the stuff that you see with the X's had to go for what we wanted to accomplish. So the car was taken to JP's custom header and chassis, and the story begins. So here's a good picture. I got the engine and transmission out, and this is what it looks like. Pretty bare bones. I can't wait to get rid of that cross member when we put a rear sump in. He's going to build a different one. But there's the custom cross member with the rack unit. There's the steering shaft. I like how we cut that out. Get the best clearance away from everything. Mid plates in there. And I'm just going to clean it up, paint all these areas that have been ground. I love these little front motor plate mounts. Look at it there, it's better. You can see I set it right on there and just slide it back and it goes right into the dowel pins. But all that needs to be cleaned up and painted. Tape off all this stuff. It'll look pretty good. Check it out. It's all taped, ready for paint. Might not look like much now. Wait till I blend that black. See if you can tell where I painted it. Looks good though. So the weather cooperated. I was able to push it outside and get the painting done. Doesn't look like much, but it's painted, and once I get that off and you get it in the regular light, it's gonna look mint. But it worked out pretty good. That's all I care about. Doesn't rust, it's good looking. Now let's get it back together. So there's kind of a look here underneath. Here's a better look. Cross member. Nice and solid, right to the subframe connectors. Looks good. What a difference. Well, there you go. There's the final result. Looks pretty good. Hard to tell where I blended it. Now, let's get this back together. Stay tuned to DBG.